Meaning of ferocious.
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 Ferocious. Ferocious means extremely violent, aggressive or intense in nature, usually used to describe an animal, person or action. It conveys a sense of danger, savagery, and brutality. Ferocious behavior can be physically or emotionally threatening, causing fear and intimidation. For example, a ferocious lion attacking its prey, or a person exhibiting a ferocious temper during an argument. This word is often associated with a lack of control or restraint, resulting in destructive or harmful outcomes. Overall, ferocious implies a level of dominance and power that is overwhelming and intimidating.